Hello everyone. Welcome to first video of Excel tricks part 1. In this video we're gonna see how to work Excel very efficiently, the tricks which we're gonna use. Don't skip this video. Please watch until end of this video. We have lot of tricks. First one is quick analysis tab. As usual, let's do it practically. Now I open a Excel where I have given some information A, B, C, 1, 2, 3 kind of stuff. Just do select here. You will get a icon and a below which is quick analysis. Shortcut for this quick analysis is Control Q. Click on that icon. You can see so many options which will help you to look or analyze your data very efficiently. There is options for formatting, charts, tables, totals, some average kind of stuff, and sparklings. Let's see one by one. Data bar. You can see the value. Based on the value, you can see the data are filling. So coloring based on the numbers, least to high and high to least. Icons which shows neutral, high, low, greater than some numbers, tab percentage, and nothing clear over it. Then chart. You can create a customized chart like this. Whatever you want, you can do. If I want to create this, click and you can create here. Then you can customize. That's not part of this one now. Okay. Continue with totals. If you want to see sum, you can get some average, count of the values, total, running total, summation at right side. Same way table you want to create a table. You can create with filters added to it, right? 1, 2, 3, which one you want to select. You can do a filtering here. This is when one of the cool trick which will make your work more efficient. Okay, let's move on to the second one, which is flash fill and autofill. It's cool again. We know that when we are filling some email address or some kind of naming kind of stuff, we need another column with name. For example, Arjun, Ganesh, and next column with Krisha Balaji. So it's very hard to fill each one. So instead, this is taking actually the pattern of what we are doing. So if I enter, it help you to fill this complete stuff with our first name and last name, right? This option is called flash fill. Whereas autofill, we most of us come across. If you want to type 1, 2, 3, 4, and just select all those, drag it up to what we want. This is autofill. As it is 4 number, we even type it, it is easy. But for a longer, lengthier numbers, it's obviously flash fill will be more faster to fill it based on the pattern, right? What's next? You can see auto fit column width, right? I just take this copy of it. I'm just taking the copy, pasting it here. So you can see it's not completely visible. So if I want to see, I can go to the column or row. My cursor turns into a shape like this. Usually it will be like this, and now this plus is different. If you double click, it will change. Instead of that, what we can do, we can select all by clicking this area and click, double click. It will autofill every rows and columns. For example, if my column is lengthier, for this is one column and this is one column, and row is like this, right? If I select here and double click, columns will get. Now it's time for rows. So you will get it all in a proper shape. Okay, this is the third trick. Trick number 4, goal seek. Yeah, it's a very effective tool. Let's see how to do that. See, I have taken some reference of item called ABCD and how many quantity. and price of each unit, and I'm taking the total of it. So if I wanted to make it 1 lakh, right, this is a formula I used for multiplication. If we want to make it 1 lakh, I don't know how many quantity I supposed to sell, right? So if I want to make it, I can add 20. No, it is not filled. Then increase by 50, not 1 lakh, 60, not 1 lakh. So I can do that, but it is a very tedious task to find the exact number. Instead, what we can do, just go to data, what if analysis, and that click on goal seek, right? I already selected the goal where my goal amount should come, right? So the cell is automatically selected. The value which I supposed to be, for example, if I want it to be 1 lakh rupee, right? And which column to be filled by changing the cell? Which cell supposed to be changed? This cell. I'm giving OK, right? You can see target value and current value, it changed earlier. So now I supposed to sell this many quantity of that particular D item to get 1 lakh rupee. It's a cool option, right? You can use it for multiple places wherever you want it to be changed and all. So you can even here again you can do quick analysis, do coloring, set icons, something like that. So it will give you a classic look, right? And today's final trick, fifth trick. Wow, remove duplicate. Most of us would have come across this. Anyhow, let me explain. I've taken some columns with numbers. These are very unique, so I'm changing it. 6, 4, 4, and E. Okay, I'm selecting all those. Go to data, and you can see an option remove duplicate. Click on that. It will ask you which are all columns you're supposed to select and do the duplication remove. Either you can give all or particular column which you're supposed to do. For example, I'm taking only C, so I'm unchecking all those columns, right? Yeah, it finds 2 duplicates and 2 are removed and 8 unique values remain. So this is a cool option, like whenever you get lots of duplicates and you wanted to filter with a unique value, this helps you, right? I hope I'm done with the part 1 video. We'll continue with other tricks in part 2, part 3, and part 4. I have a lot of tricks which make your work cool, do it faster. Thank you. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe. Don't forget to hit bell icon. Please do like, share this video with your friends. Catch up in next video.